Okay, this is a video on how to use the park brake on the Mercedes C-Class series, E-Class, CLK, S-Classes and so forth. So what you basically do, there's a park brake lever here which is under the switch, the headlight switch, so you need to pull that out once you want to go. And also once you've parked the car, there's a little foot lever on the left which you need to push in and release. So basically we're at the car in park at the moment. So I'll just swivel across here. So you see my big feet in the way, but there's the park brake. So basically if I want to go, I'm going to pull this lever out. Okay, so what happens there, that little lever there is popped out. So if I want to stop the car and park the car when I'm parked, you push that in like that. When you want to go, here we go, it's hard to film, but you pull that out and there you go. So what I'll do, I'll push it in, then pull it out, and you can see there it pops out. And once that's happened, you're ready to put your car into drive. Foot on the brake, obviously, engine's running, voila, you're ready to go. Anyway, so now I've parked the car, say I've driven it. So what we do now, foot's on the brake, it's in park, park brake's in. Also you see that little light on the left hand side. The red light means the car park light is on. So when the park light's off, you pull the lever, it's off. I push my foot in on the park lever, it's on again. Anyway, Aldo giving a quick instruction on how to use a park brake on a Mercedes-Benz. Cheers.